Welcome to our video on how to monetize your blog or website to earn money online. If you have a blog or website, you may be wondering how you can turn your traffic into revenue. In this video, we will discuss several ways to monetize your blog or website to earn money online. One of the most popular ways to monetize a blog or website is through advertising. You can place ads on your site from various advertising networks such as Google AdSense, Media.net, or Propeller Ads. These ads can be placed in the header, sidebar, or within your content. When your visitors click on these ads, you earn a small commission. However, it's important to ensure that your ads are not intrusive and don't negatively impact the user experience on your site. Another effective way to monetize your blog or website is through affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services that are relevant to your audience and earn a commission on each sale made through your affiliate link. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate are some of the most popular affiliate marketing networks to join. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience and only promote products or services that you trust and believe in. Sponsored content is another way to monetize your blog or website. This involves partnering with brands to create content that promotes their products or services. Sponsored content can take the form of blog posts, videos, or social media posts. However, it's important to make sure that sponsored content is clearly labeled as such and doesn't mislead your audience. If you have a skill or expertise that your audience is interested in, you can monetize your blog or website by selling digital products. These can include ebooks, online courses, or digital downloads such as templates or presets. You can use platforms such as Gumroad or Teachable to sell and deliver your digital products to your customers. Another way to monetize your blog or website is through membership sites. This involves creating a premium section of your site that is only accessible to paying members. You can offer exclusive content, tools, or community access to your members. Platforms such as Patreon or Memberful can help you create and manage your membership site. If you have a physical product to sell, you can monetize your blog or website by setting up an e-commerce store. You can use platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce to create and manage your online store. You can also use plugins such as Easy Digital Downloads or WooCommerce to sell digital products. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can monetize your blog or website by offering consulting or coaching services. You can offer one-on-one coaching, group coaching, or online courses. Make sure to clearly define your expertise and the value you offer to your clients. In conclusion, there are many ways to monetize your blog or website to earn money online. By leveraging advertising, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling digital products, membership sites, e-commerce, and consulting or coaching, you can turn your traffic into revenue. However, it's important to make sure that you're providing value to your audience and that your monetization strategies don't negatively impact the user experience on your site. Thank you for watching.